the another access modifiers and access specifiers. Protect. Third one is the protect. Protect using the keyword is the protect keyword. Protect keyword. The protect in front of variable level or class level, we use the protect keyword. Method level also we can use protect keyword. This access specifier accessible within the package and outside the package, and the same package we can use. Suppose my package is there, the another package is there. These are different packages, two different packages. Use different within this package we can use protect keyword, and this package back can use the protect keyword. This using protect keyword using through only inheritance only we can possible, otherwise we cannot possible. The overall the protect keyword using within the package or outside the package using only inheritance, otherwise it cannot possible. Okay, now example program demo.java. One program is there, the package name called the pack is the package 1. This is the first package. In demo class demo, okay, a public class demo. Okay, we use the method here. We the keyword use the protected keyword, the method display method. In display method one statement is there. Okay, display method we can use. In display method one statement is there, println. Suppose one message write like this in this I. Okay, in I the message displays. Okay, now close the braces. This is the one different packages, only one method used, one statement is used. Next another program called saved sample.java. The package is called mypack. The package 2 is a different packages. The class sample extend to demo means inheritance only possible, so we use the extend keyword demo into the sample. Okay, all the data will be inherited from demo to sample class. Now public static void main. Now create the object for which class? Sample class, because all the data of this class inherited to sample class. Okay, we want to create object for the sample class. Now public static void main method, the how to create a class name object 1 created new sample. Okay, one object obj1 object is created. Now we want to call display method object1 dot display method. Okay, which message is displayed? This message will be displayed. What is the output? I, because the within the package and outside the package we can use the protect keyword. Thank you.